Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-05, the Crankshaft Bearing Cap for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Okay, let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Now go to the front side, Sketch. We should do 2 circles. 1, 2. They're going to be construction line. First one will be C2. Next one will be 57. Put that one out there. Let me just move this out a bit out of the way. There we go. Now let's go to the, what's it called? Counterpoint arc. I'm gonna put one there to there. Another one there. Oop. That way, thank you. That's why I don't like putting them on the line, because that's why I can see exactly where it's going. Okay, that can go off. Put these 3 points horizontal. Now put this 1 point to this line, the sealant. There you go, it's locked into place. Bring that one. Bring that one down a bit, but bring these 2 horizontal. That's good. Now, I'm not going to put that in horizontal with that because it's going to be down low, but let me just lock this one into place onto that line, but still not locked in there, which is fine. Now we want to go a line. We want out, down, out, down, and across. There we go. So these 2 here will join. There we go, beautiful. And it's going to be the same the other side. So let me do the same over there. It's going to be across, down, across, down, and across. There we go, closed in, beautiful. Alright, so this point and this point will be horizontal. That's already done. That should be everything locked in a sense that everything lines up. See, that moves. Okay, beautiful. So smart dimension. So from the center point to that point will be 19. Center point to that point over the other side will be, missed. Thank you. 19. That's locked in. This line here, sorry, line. I clicked the center point of that, but I want the line. That's going to be 12. And there you go. This, all you got to do is bring this one down. There we go. And that's going to be 9. There we go. Looks good. So let's just double check everything. 19 there, 32, 57, 12, 9. Oh, we haven't done this one yet. This one to this one will be 38. There you go, that's better. And this one to that one will be 38. There you go, everything is locked in. Excellent. Okay, so there we go. Feature extrude. Width is 38. Yes, it is. 38. Do mid plane. And done. You just bring that one across. Done. Okay. So on this end here, let's go normal 2. Let me go to, let's actually go to sketch. Grab that rectangle box. Click on that one there. Go down, go past that point there. Then bring that point, the corner, past this alignment. The point in that line, then, make that sealant. There we go. Now that's going to be measurement of, where are we? From here, from this side to there will be 38. Nope, not 38. Yes, 38. Okay. Unsolved. What's that? What happened there? Why is that unsolved? Take that out. Let's try that again. Let's go from point to point. .38. Interesting. Why is it doing that? Okay. Well, let me delete that one. See if that makes a difference. 38. 38, thank you. Interesting. Okay, let me just go back a few steps to there. You get a corner piece. Can I go corner piece? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go center line to there. Put that. Okay, what can I select them there now? Delete that center line. It's so weird. Why is it doing that? Do that one. Actually, let's try that point. I can get that point. 38. No. I'm failed solution. Oh, let's try something. Oop. Oh, hold on. I know what I've done wrong. You probably picked it up too. Let me get that sketch. Let me go in this one. Hold on, where the heck are we? Get out of that one. Click on that one. And go in there. Yeah, I put 38 there, it should be 44. Double check that, yeah, 44. That's what's doing wrong. Okay. If in doubt, go back and check. Okay, some reason I hit it. That's weird. Okay, let's try that again. That's good now, it's 44. And that's still 38. What's the 38? .44. Okay, let's try this again. We should be good now. Oh boy. Okay, let's try this again. From there to there. 38. There we go, that's better. That's why it wasn't working. Okay. So this point and this point. Nope. The line, I mean, sorry. Line and point. Make sealant. Now it won't. Seriously? Oh, it did. Took a sec for some reason. Now we want to go feature extrude through all and done. Oh, seriously? Through all. Thank you. For some reason it didn't change. There we go. There we go. That part's done. Excellent. So now we need to go on top here. Normal. Edit. Sketch. We want 3 circles. Nope, we want 4 circles. Otherwise, I said 3, 4, but we want 4. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is equal. Smart dimension. That's going to be 3, I believe. Nope, 5. There we go. Now let me go. These 2 will be horizontal. These 2 will be horizontal. These 2 will be vertical. These 2 will be vertical. There we go. Now, where are we? So it's 12.5 from there to there. 12.5. 12, no, sorry, it's 25 from there to there. That's fine, which is not 12.5 from here to here, which is 6.5. That's fine. Yep, that's good. Now let's see now. So from the middle to here is 28.5, and the same the other side. 28.5. That locks it in. Now this side here and this side here is different sides for a reason. Let's see now. Feature, extrude cut, through all got that time, and okay. There we go. That's that piece done. But before we do, I just want to open up another piece. We go file, open, not open, file, recent, that's the easy one, which is going to be that piece. Now we want to open up a new assembly MMGS. Now I'm not assembling anything, I'm just going to make sure things line up. Put that one there, and bring that one in, there we go. Oh, dispute on me, what happened? How come I keep making things disappear? Okay, we've got, so we got, let's see now, mate, this side, thank you, to that side, but I'll rotate it around. There we go. Let's see now, that face to that face. That top part to this top part. Okay, everything lines up good there, but does the holes line up? Ooh, they line up. Yep, that's good. That's a gap there. That gap should be there. Because that side panel I did for the crankcase, left hand side and right hand side, that sits in there. And then this other piece, let me bring that in. Let's see, insert. Nope, actually, one there. Let's go this way. Go all the way down the bottom. The bearing one. Put that there. Mate. cylinder to cylinder. This outside edge to inside edge. Ah, no, actually. Nope. Actually, it's not that one. Sorry, it's this one here. There we go. Take out of that. I'm not going to save this because I'm just putting it together to make sure it works. See that? Fits snug against there. And then that outside case there will go in there. That's holes on there. The yeah, what? Gotten this far, let's do the next one. I'm not going to save this, so left hand, right hand, doesn't matter which one I grab. There we go. Let's see, that's going to be this side. Okay, yep. So if we go mate, cylinder to cylinder, yeah, which way does that go? That should be right way. Now if we go that part there to that part there, there we go. It actually lines up. There you go. See the holes line up, and see that's in there perfectly. Oh, not quite perfect. We still need to do one more mate. There we go. Now it should be good. Yep, see it lines up in there perfectly. The holes line up, so you put a bolt in there that will bolt that together. That's on the outside. So that's come together nicely. There's a gap there, that's fine, that's how it should be. Because we need to put a plate underneath here. And that's going to slide in there. So that plate will go before this goes on. So that is coming along nicely. I'm not going to save that. Don't save. Because I'm going to do the assemblies on the different series. But I just want to do that, make sure everything lined up good, which it did. Close that one down. There we go. That one there. So that's part 5-05, the Crankshaft Bearing Cap done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Thank you for everyone has. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.